Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials, the resource pack folder, an image editor, and a backup of the default textures. Open assets/minecraft/textures/entity and locate the heart or GUI heart texture. This is the file you will replace. Once you have the PNG open, make sure dimensions match the pack resolution, typically 16x16 or 32x32, and lock transparency. You should be working on a copy, not the original. This prevents accidental data loss while you edit the pixel layout. You now create the new heart texture. Work in layers so you can tweak color, highlight, and shadow independently, which preserves legibility in-game. Use a limited palette to match your resource pack's lighting. Subtle highlights on the upper left and 1-pixel rim shadows make hearts readable at small sizes. Once satisfied, flatten visible layers, but keep an alpha channel for non-rectangular shapes. Then export as PNG using the exact dimensions used by the pack, so Minecraft reads it without stretching. You install the texture by copying the PNG into the same path you opened earlier inside the resource pack, then re-enable the pack in Minecraft. Once loaded, enter a world and check the HUD. Creative inventory or damage indicators show hearts immediately. If you don't see changes, make sure pack order is correct and use the resource pack reload or restart the game. Troubleshooting tip. If the heart appears invisible, verify file name, folder path, image resolution, and that transparency is intentional versus accidental.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.